The human body can go 3 weeks without food, 3 days without water, but without sleep, it begins to eat itself. We call it insomnia, but nature calls it surrender. This is what happens when you stop sleeping. It starts innocently. One late night, one deadline, one scroll too long. You tell yourself you're fine, but your brain has already begun to unravel. After 17 hours awake, your reaction time equals someone legally drunk. Logic fades, impulse rises. Inside your head, neurons fire like static on a broken signal. The amygdala, your alarm bell, gets louder. The prefrontal cortex, your voice of reason, goes quiet. You snap easier. You trust less. You feel more alive, but less human. Every hour awake is a small betrayal of biology, and your body will collect its debt. After 36 hours, reality begins to bend. Colors blur, words echo, time stretches like rubber. Your brain starts to dream while awake. Micro-dreams, seconds long, slip in without warning. You blink and miss moments. You speak and forget why. Cortisol floods your bloodstream like fire. Your heart races. Your body thinks you're in danger from nothing. And the irony? You feel productive, wired, unstoppable. But that rush isn't focus. It's panic in disguise. By the second night, your immune system crumbles. Natural killer cells, the ones that fight infection and cancer, drop by 70%. One night without sleep can age your immune system a year. And still, you push on. By the third day, the mind begins to tear. Temperature rises, speech slurs, hallucinations creep in like ghosts. In 1964, Randy Gardner, a teenager, stayed awake for 11 days. Day 2, he lost focus. Day 4, he hallucinated. Day 6, he forgot how to move. And on day 10, his memory fractured into static. He survived, but his brain kept the scars. Tiny burns where neurons collapsed from overheat. In a certain experiment, rats were kept awake for 2 weeks. They didn't die of hunger. They died of confusion. Their organs forgot their purpose. Their cells forgot the code. Sleep wasn't rest. It was survival. You say you'll catch up later, but the brain doesn't keep tabs. It keeps damage. Each missed night lets toxins pile up. Beta amyloid, tau proteins, the waste you were meant to flush out in dreams. When they stay, they poison memory. They set fire to clarity. They pave the way for Alzheimer's. Hormones follow. Leptin drops. You never feel full. Ghrelin spikes. You crave sugar, salt, noise. Sleep loss turns discipline into gluttony. You scroll to feel alive. You argue to feel awake. You chase dopamine because you've forgotten what peace feels like. It's not addiction. It's fatigue pretending to be purpose. And that's how the modern world breaks us, one all-nighter at a time. Eventually, the body wins. It always does. You crash, your eyes close, and for a moment, the universe reboots. During deep sleep, growth hormone repairs muscle. Neurons clean their own streets. Emotions refile themselves into peace. Dreams are not fantasies. They're software updates for the soul. You wake up not because you rested, but because you were rebuilt. So the next time you trade sleep for hustle, remember, you're not working through the night, you're borrowing from tomorrow. Sleep is not a luxury. It's the foundation of consciousness itself. Because when the body stops sleeping, the mind begins dying. Until next time, stay curious and rest before your mind forgets how to dream.